Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, super high foaming bubble bath. Let me show you how it's made. This is the product I'm going to be showing you here, and hopefully you can see it's got that beautiful pearlescent finish to it. Now, one of the main materials I'm using in this formula, the primary surfactant here, is Isolux, or sodium lauryl methyl isethionate, and that's these little flakes here. So we do need to heat the formula gently and stir to dissolve these flakes. I'm also using some cocamata propylbutane. That's a really good high foaming mildness additive, but using the isethionate material to begin with means this is going to be ultra high foaming and very, very mild on the skin. I'm also going to be using some polysugarmoles D9, which is a fantastic material to further boost foam, build some viscosity, and put some conditioning benefits into this formula. Since you're going to be in the bath, you want to be soaking in some conditioning product. Now, to put this together, I just need to combine my water and my surfactants and then heat to dissolve my Isolux flakes. I don't need a lot of heat here, I just need to heat and maintain that temperature around 55 to 60 degrees. That's plenty of heat to dissolve these Isolux flakes. Now we just need to cool below 40 degrees and we can add our preservative and our fragrance. Make sure you keep your stirring always low shear so that you don't create excess foam while you're mixing. Of course, we want a high foaming product, so if we stir it a lot at this stage, we'll end up with a big vat or bowl of foam. So just keep that stirring low shear so you don't create too many bubbles at this stage. Now I can add my preservative and my fragrance. Now this formula is even easier because it comes out at the exact pH we need it. If you alter any of the ingredients, just make sure you check and adjust that final pH. Now on the day you make it, you will notice it hasn't fully set to its final viscosity. Once it cools completely overnight, you will get this beautiful pearlescent lustrous effect and you will achieve that beautiful final viscosity. And as you can see, huge volume of bubbles in the bath. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to create a high foaming bubble bath using these readily available materials. I hope this has helped, and of course you can mix and match your fragrances, add some extra extracts, and tell the story your way for lots of bath time fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!